Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make pizza dough. So before I get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. For this we'll need 2 cups of flour. I'm using this plain flour. It is all-purpose flour. 1 egg. We're not going to use the complete egg, we'll need half of the egg. So if you have a small egg, try using that. Half teaspoon, full half teaspoon of salt or up to taste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of milk. 1 tablespoon of yeast and half teaspoon more. Like 1 and 1/4 tablespoon of yeast. 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 cup warm water. We need warm water, not hot water. Hot water will kill the yeast. So I'm going to add the oil, milk, I'm going to add the egg after I beat it. First I'm going to add salt and sugar. Next I'm going to add water. Make sure your water is lukewarm water, not too hot, otherwise I'm again repeating, it will kill the yeast and your dough won't rise. Now as you have seen, now I'm going to add the yeast. This is dry instant yeast, or you call it dry active yeast. This is the yeast. I'm going to beat the egg and add that. I'm just going to give it 2 minutes to rise, only 2 minutes, not more than that. Guys, after 2 minutes you can see that it has risen a bit. See, now I'm going to add half of the egg, not the full egg. Okay, I've added half of the egg. One full egg is used in 4 cups of flour. As I'm using 2 cups of flour, so I'm using half egg. So here goes the first cup of flour. First I'm going to add 1 cup and mix it. Now I'm going to add the second cup of flour. I'm not pouring the whole flour. See, I'm going to add more flour. So it was sticking too much to my hand, so I added just a bit of flour. I'm using olive oil. You can use cooking oil or vegetable oil. We grease the bowl so it does not stick with the walls of the bowl. And I'm just going to grease it also a little bit with my hand. Just don't add too much of oil, otherwise it will keep floating. I'm going to let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Guys, this is after 2 to 3 hours. It has well risen. So now I'm going to knead it a little. this is ready, so you can cut it in two parts and make two medium sized pizza out of it.